guys, I am here with the Paul Millsap, one of the greatest NBA players.
Millsap gets around, throws it down! Oh, Millsap!
And also about to be one of the coldest traders that will ever exist on the planet. I think something that's really cool is he said he saw me through YouTube and then joined Cash Capital, and now I actually got to meet him, which is awesome, even though the height difference isn't that awesome. But yeah, he has been learning a lot, and it really shocks me because, a lot of people don't really want to take it that serious. But he's been super serious that we're out here in LA actually teaching him. So thank you so much, Paul, for having me.
First off, invest with cash. This has been a great experience for me. Learning this side of trying to understand, how to invest money and how to, save your money. So this has been great. Kelly has been amazing. I want to continue to learn this and continue to, grow.
Amen to that. My name is Kelly OG. I'm a 20-year-old CEO, entrepreneur, and investor. In 2020, I was 18 without $1 in my bank account, and a year later, I became a multi-millionaire at the age of 19. I've been blessed to be able to travel and get to teach a lot of your favorite athletes and celebrities how to leverage their cash and turn into active capital. And I'm hoping I can do the same for you, so stick around and let's get to the money. Welcome MTV to my hotel room. It's not a crib. But beautifully, American Express, I'm not sponsored, upgraded me from a regular room to a suite. Ignore my stuff over here. Wow, you didn't ignore my stuff. You're nosy.
You got me.
But anywho, so we have this wonderfully beautiful view of LA. I mean, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. And then that also extends all the way over here to the room. Ignore the room. Obviously somebody's living here. It's my crib, so I'm not gonna put on a facade and clean it for no reason. But yeah, I was just getting a little ready. We have another view. It's the same thing. Then we have a bathroom. The bathroom is awesome. You can actually peek through here into the bathroom. So if I'm right here, I can look and I'm like, hey Kelly, and then I go over there and I'm like, hey Kelly. It's awesome. And yeah, so yesterday actually, because y'all are a little late, we went out to dinner with one of my great friends, newly great friend, Paul Millsap, who plays for the Philadelphia 76ers. You probably know him from the Atlanta Hawks or the Brooklyn Nets, or maybe the Denver Nuggets. But anywho's, today we're gonna go get breakfast. Then we're gonna kind of break down how the options trading and stocks game, even some crypto works to him. Then we're gonna go to the game. Tomorrow, we're gonna go to Rodeo Drive, hopefully. Plan a meetup. If not, it'll probably be Friday, but we really wanna do that. And y'all get to tag along for the entire ride. So you kinda get to see a day in the life of a more business trip oriented, not a go buy a chain from Johnny Dang, like video. So hope y'all love that, and I'm ready to see it. So right now in California, we are currently with the 76ers, not yet, but we are helping our friend of the 76ers, if you didn't know, Paul Millsap. Awesome. We're walking. These houses are so cute. I think these are the houses I see from my room. Oh my gosh, they are. Yeah, they are. You can see my room up there. But yeah, we're here with Bonnie Bravo, Crypto King. I had to make sure he came out because it's so important to be financially diversified and to really have an understanding of investing, some sort of investing, because that's really how you make your money grow. Not by how hard you work at your job, because even if you get a raise, sometimes they say you can't get a raise for a couple of years, and hard work doesn't really equate to how much money you make, but you can invest and barely put in work and then bank.
We have shake.
How big is the shake?
Pretty good size. I'll show you the glass.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello. How's it going?
Great.
How about yourself?
Good morning.
Very good. Good morning. Is that first time?
Yeah, this is our first
Very
time.
good. Okay, 3 waters? Yes, sir.
English muffin or bagel?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
English muffin.
English muffin. So Santa Fe scramble with fruit and English muffin to go.
Yes, please.
Okay.
But my mom, she's always been like super supportive.
Yeah.
Like, that's really my best friend. And like I want to succeed so much because of her. Like when you just meet naturally genuine people, it makes you want to go harder to like really let them experience the world.
I feel like there's an even relationship, I would say, between mom and dad. I feel like when it comes to friendship-wise, it would 100% be mom. But when it comes to learning life skills and life lessons, taking responsibility, common sense, which ain't so common some more,
Yeah.
and all of that, it would 100% be dad.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a wonderful one. So Proverbs 23:4-5. You gotta listen to this one too, Lamont. This is a word. It says, "Don't wear yourself out trying to get rich. Be wise enough to know when to quit. In the blink of an eye, wealth disappears, for it will sprout wings and fly away like an eagle." That's a bar. Forget it's from Proverbs, bro. Forget. Like, so many people try and just pursue get-rich-quick schemes. Man, I really want to get that Lambo, man. I really want to buy my parents this, and I really want to flex with this person with this. And so you start searching up Cash App flips. You start searching up, I don't know, like how to scam. You start like trying to trade in 2 days and make $1 billion, and it's like, that's not how it works, bro. You keep doing that, you're gonna spend so much time and energy and money trying to get rich that you're gonna burn yourself out. And then the path you could have taken comes a lot slimmer. No, so Laban asked the question of, do you think you're gonna get to a point like success-wise where you stop going to, or you start going to only expensive restaurants, like you don't go to like hometown restaurants and the stuff you see on Main Street? And I was telling him, me personally, no, because I'm always a pocket watcher in my own pockets. And we went to a restaurant yesterday and they had a piece of steak for $95 and the waiter was pushing the steak and he was like, "You gotta try the steak, it's the best steak." So we were like, okay, well, let's get the steak. So we get this $95 piece of steak. Shout out to the stock market for letting me make that in like 2 minutes. But we get it, and I kid you not, it's like this tiny piece of just black meat. And I was like, and we finished eating in Laban. Were we full? We were not full. I was like, dang, is there anywhere else you can get food? You know, so I think a lot of people go to those expensive restaurants for the status and to say they went, and the networking and the connections, and they fall in love with the lifestyle. But at the end of the day, I'm not paying like for expensive food for the sake of another person, for a potential, sake of another person. So I'm real big on still coming local and just eating wherever I'll actually be full, because that's the point of eating. I could spend $50 and be full versus $200, $300, and I'm still here like, yo, so they got dessert? Because I don't want to go to a place where I crave dessert. I don't want to do that. Thank you. Hello. Do like a mini breakdown of like the most important terms that I said.
I don't know. You got any questions, ask me. So
It's basically the amount of total stock that the company has. Tesla moves $5, mid cap companies, and then big cap companies, or large cap, and it's now $1,005. Well, then you just do 50 times 5. They do it simply because rho, omega, and gamma. Your delta is delta, non-delta is the main per dollar. So the stock is just, let's say, $2, right? Okay, so now, so Y equals MX plus E, right? Boom, yeah, because you do 50 times 2, and then it feels like we're in math. It says, don't wear yourself out trying to get rich. Be wise enough to know when to quit. In the blink of an eye, wealth disappears, for it will sprout wings and fly away like